How are you everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Just today I make for you a simple cappuccino art. It's not important that how nice is your art, but very important that you have a good espresso or good foam, that when you make your foam, you should look at your foam that how's the structure of your milk. How is it? If it's nice and the bubbles should be, there is no bubble, it will should be look creamy, very creamy. So when you can see that your milk is very creamy and the structure is very nice, so that how you will know that your coffee will be nice. The art is very simple. It's not matter that art is just only for look, for presentation, but for taste you should make your perfect espresso. So how you know your perfect espresso? When you will use your coffee grinder, you should grind like not too much fine and not too coarse for the espresso grind. So you should learn how to make an espresso grind for espresso. So when you make perfect espresso, when you will use your water filter, should be 17 gram of coffee, and you should press not very high temperature, not very low. You should press like medium. So how you know the espresso perfect? When you will start your espresso pouring, you should count how many second is dropping. If it's like 25 or 24 second, 25 should be. So that means you know that this is espresso is the exact perfect espresso. And then you should look the cream, how is creamy. That is the most important for coffee. If you make cappuccino, latte, flat white, any coffee, you should depend on your espresso. If your espresso is perfect, so your coffee will gonna be nice. Thank you so much.